Hello, today we're going to explore the intricacies of hair care. Let's not forget that hair care significantly affects our appearance. However, properly caring for our hair to strengthen and enhance its shine can sometimes be a neglected area. This video will show you step by step how to achieve perfect hair care. Firstly, it's important to correctly analyze your hair type. You may have oily, dry, normal, or combination hair. Determining the appropriate care routine based on your hair type is the key to healthy and strong hair. Washing and rinsing your hair properly lays the foundation for healthy hair. Choosing the right shampoo and conditioner helps maintain your hair's moisture balance. You can use nourishing hair masks and serums for deep hair care. These products strengthen your hair, add shine, and nourish your scalp. Protecting your hair from sun damage with sunscreen or hairspray is crucial. You can also opt for protective gear like hats or umbrellas. A balanced diet and adequate water intake are important for healthy hair. Using chemical-free natural hair care products and appropriate hairbrushes shows more care for your hair. The right products and tools help maintain your hair's health. Regular trims and split-end care ensure that your hair is healthier and stronger. Follow these steps to care for your hair perfectly and achieve the best look possible. If you have benefited from the information provided at the end of the video and would like to learn more about hair care, you can visit the links in the description below. By following our social media accounts, you can access more content on beauty and health topics. Additionally, sharing your comments and feedback with us can help shape the content of our future videos. Continue to follow our channel to learn more about hair care and beauty topics. See you in the next video.